we?
Okay, we're recording.
Oh, so sorry.
Oh no, I just started.
We need something bigger. Push it like that. Oh, why? We need something bigger, hun.
It'll
burn out?
It'll burn out.
We're trying to make the fire go away because we're tired because it's 8 o'clock and we're old.
Yeah, we were supposed to push it that way.
Hi, Abby.
I want to push it that way.
You broke it up?
Yeah, we broke it up, but I want to push it that way so that other one breaks up. Do we have something big?
Right here.
Let's not start with that.
See what pigs they are. Say hello, Dega.
Oh, so that's what we were supposed to do. Break it up. We didn't know.
No, breaking it up makes it go crazy.
Well, that's what we were supposed to do. Make it go crazy, so it worked.
Close it. You gotta close the thing. Close it.
Okay, I'll close it.
Close it?
Is that what I said?
So this is fun, huh?
Yeah, this is fun. This is much
Oh, I didn't
fun.
realize I have a flashlight on. I mean, the flash on.
Here, use this.
Hi, Leonard. Leonard.
Oh, thank you.
Hi, Leonard.
This is
Say
much
hello.
warmer, hun. No, I want to do it. He brought it for me. Move out of the way. Yeah, this is much nicer.
Oh, look at him.
Ho, don't come out.
Oh, fire! A rock's on fire! A rock's on fire!
Be careful when you step out. I think Leonard will.
Oh, one came out.
Oh, we did?
I think it smells.
All right.
Is that you, Leonard?
See, this is a fire, Mark. We were like, why isn't it hot?
Here's our Flamera. I'm videoing all this.
Okay, now we're cooking with gasolina.
Mom cooled it a little bit more.
Oh. I can't.
Yeah, push it.
Hi.
There you go.
Where's Abby?
I don't know where it is because now it's really hot. Now it's really.
Now you see.
Now it's really
Oh, here's
hot.
Tom.
Yeah, that's
Hi, Tom. Say hello, Tom. Tom.
Oh, I see.
Say hello.
Summers?
I'm not. I'm already drunk. Now it's really hot, Mark. This is nice. Oh wow.
Alrighty, we're saying goodbye. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Should we put this on Facebook?
Oh.